We want to show you how you wet clean viscose. It's a misconception that you cannot wet clean viscose. You can, and here we are putting a specialized soap on. Then we're going to add additional water and soap to it. We're going to scrub that in. We're going to have to do this process 3, 4, 5 times depending how soiled the rug is. Then we're going to scrub it one more time. Then we'll start squeegeeing out any of the excess soap and water before we start rinsing and neutralizing it. There we are squeegeeing it out. This will happen 3, 4, 5 times also. You want to make sure you get all the soil out, and we're actually doing both sides of the rug. For time, we sped it up here. Then you roll up the rug, and we're going to place it into a spinner. The spinner is like the spin cycle of your washing machine. It's going to wring out the water. Spins extremely fast RPMs. There's the water being squeezed out of the rug, just spun right out. Then we're going to take the rug out, inspect it, see if there's any spots that need to be done after cleaning. We're going to groom the rug properly. We groom it with a series of brushes for viscose. This is an overall grooming brush just to get the fibers laying in the correct lay. That way you get that shiny look from one view and it looks a little darker from the opposite side. And then here is what the finished product looks like. Beautiful. So don't let anyone tell you that you cannot wet clean viscose. They're just uneducated on how to clean these sensitive, beautiful rugs. Thank you.